When you're doing an isometric, you're holding something at an exact grip strength. And I'll say it's a wall sit. It's a plank. The interesting thing about when you're working with isometrics and Zona specifically again, is you're getting the nitric oxide production, but the reason is because there's a nervous system switch that's taking place. I go to the relatable comparison of holding a plank. If you've ever held a plank for 2 minutes, it's about the most unnatural thing you can experience.
Yeah.
It's a ridiculously unnatural thing because every part of your body's natural comfort zone says, just friggin' lay down. Right? Like, why are we doing this? This is ridiculous. But what happens is your nervous system is responding to a very uncomfortable stimulus. And because of that uncomfortable stimulus, it assumes there's danger. The sympathetic nervous system response is what releases the nitric oxide. You can be the calmest person in town, but when I put you in an uncomfortable situation, that fight or flight response takes place in the brain, which is what's triggering that nitric oxide production.
Wow.
So you put yourself in that situation, nitric oxide kicks in, you end up flooding your system with nitric oxide, vasodilation takes place, hacking your body back into what it already knows how to do. Like life was meant to live. Like our bodies respond in ways that go towards life, and if given the right stimulus.